Hello everyone, my name is Sabr Jalasi and I'm a VFX artist. I have created this video series to show you guys how to render different types of volumes using Houdini and Arnold. The techniques I'm going to be showing here can be done using any other 3D package that has Arnold integration and it offers the same features I'm going to be using during this course. These techniques are also applicable to any other render engine that has the same features. This tutorial is mainly focused on high quality volume rendering, and all the images I'm showing here are all done in render and without using any compositing softwares. So let me briefly explain what I'm going to be covering here. I'm going to start off with a general volume rendering, and in the first chapter I'm going to be using this example I'm showing here, and with it I will explain all the shader controls and how to split things into different render passes and how to optimize the render settings. Next, in the second chapter, I'm going to show how to render an explosion, and in this case I'll be using the simulation I have on screen here. And I will show how to set up the look of the fire and how to get interactive lighting from it, as well as multiple scattering. In the third chapter, we're going to move on to create a more advanced shader, and in this case a fire shader, and I'll be showing advanced shading techniques on how to get the fire look we want. In the fourth and last chapter, we're going to create this entire cloud setup, and I will start off by showing different techniques on how to create the cloud themselves and then shade them. We're also going to learn how to use instancing with Arnold, and at the end create atmospheric effects and set up different render passes for this cloud scene here. This is an intermediate to advanced course. I hope you guys like it, and please follow me on Vimeo for more updates. Thanks for watching. Bye.